안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today I want to share my eggplant rice with you. I make this dish when sudden guests come to my house. The cooking process is simple, it cooks fast, and most of all, everyone just loves this dish. Shall we start? Let's start from the rice. Today, we want to use multigrain rice. I mixed white rice, brown rice, wild rice, a little bit of barley. So I have 4 to 5 different grains here. And pour some water, and you need to rinse, wash it. Do this process 2 to 3 times, at least 3 times. Throw away this water and then add another few cups of water to it and then wash this again. And we want to drain. Once again, add water and rinse it. Okay. We're using 2 cups of rice, multigrain today, and we want to cook in a rice cooker. So I'm going to just throw all the multigrain, the rice, to the pot and add same amount of water. We're using 2 cups of rice and I have 2 cups of water. And put this aside for a while. Today we want to use medium size 4 eggplants. Remove the tops. It's a lot of eggplants, isn't it? Don't worry, you can eat them all. Next is green onion. Next is ginger. We're going to use about 1 thumb length. Same, just chop. In a large pan, let's add ½ cup of vegetable oil and chopped green onion. Give it a stir. And now we're going to heat the pan to a medium heat. We want to sweat the green onion and wait until it sizzles. Smells really great. The oil is sizzling. Now we're going to add all the eggplants to the pan and mix. The eggplants quickly absorb the oil, and when the eggplant is coated with the oil, I'm going to add soy sauce to it and then quickly mix everything. Cooking this way, it gives a nice smoky flavor to the eggplant. Give it a stir. And we're going to stir fry, fully cook the eggplants for about 5 minutes. It looks great. It's almost done. Let's add ginger to it and thoroughly mix them. Done. Let's add this to the rice cooker and just cook it. Okay, we added cooked eggplant over the rice, and they're not fully submerged in the liquid, but don't worry, it's gonna cook, and we're going to cook in a rice cooker. In the meantime, let's make a sauce. Today, I'm going to use dalle, which is Korean herb. It's an herb that is between onion, garlic, and chive. So if you don't have this, of course you can substitute to a green onion or chives. I happened to find a fresh dalle this morning, so I just bought it. Finely dice. Oh, the rice cooker. The rice is almost ready. Put in a small bowl. And here we want to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, sesame oil. This is optional. And the toasted sesame seeds goes in here. So the consistency should look like this. And we're going to put this aside for about 5 minutes so that all the flavors from the ingredient goes to the sauce. Good, it's ready. Let's open it. It's all well cooked. Gently stir, mix everything. Let's scoop in. Looks awesome. So this is one serving, and you may serve with this sauce at the side. Again, this is optional. When serving, depending on your taste, you can add 1 small teaspoon on the top of the rice and then taste it. The eggplants just melts away, and the sauce gives this rice brings to another level. It's really delicious, and I can feel ginger, and the smoked soy sauce with the rice goes perfect with the eggplant. I really like my recipe. I hope you like as well. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.